My pranams and greetings to all. I am N.C. Nandagopalan, Secretary of PhD Schools since 2006. Come January, it is Kovai Villa in Coimbatore. Life is a festival and we have to celebrate it. No wonder the young Indians of Coimbatore, in partnership with other 50 organizations, want to celebrate Kovai Villa. Coimbatore is known for its sweet Siruvani water, salubrious climate, innovation, private enterprise, risk-taking nature, and it is to be celebrated so that others will know the greatness of the city and others will also be motivated to achieve this greatness. If we don't take pride of our own city, who else will? So, Coimbatore Villa is to be celebrated by all so that we can march ahead relentlessly to make this country great. PSG and Sons Charities, which is one of the iconic brands of Coimbatore, has partnered with young Indians and 50 other organizations to celebrate the 13th edition of Kovai Villa. The trust building of PSG and Sons Charities has been beautifully illuminated, and it is a sinecure to the motorists who crisscross Avanasi Road during the night time. PSG and Sons Charities hosted a book release function last week in which 409 species of birds that are found in Coimbatore find a place in the book released by Dr. Krishnaraj Vanavarayar, the chairman of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. When there are more than 500 species of birds in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore can boast to have nearly 80% of the birds. When the bird population of India is 1,300 something, we have got 35% of birds in Coimbatore. What a great pride to us. Till last year, PSG College of Arts and Science of PSG and Sons Charities has been conducting cookery competitions to draw the innate talents of Coimbatorians. PSG Institute of Management, which is under PSG College of Technology, has been conducting treasure hunt for two-wheeler riders and four-wheeler motorists. Number one. Number two, it was also conducting rural sports and games for the students of Coimbatore schools. It ensured the participation of many so that they will know the pride of Coimbatore and take it to greater heights. The PSG Manavarillam students had a jolly ride in the double-decker bus which was plying 2 years ago in Coimbatore. It was another feather in the cap of this Kovai Villa. Kovai Villa is to focus and highlight the achievements of the sons of the soil so that youngsters will be motivated and the elders can think of it for a longer duration. If we don't take pride of our achievements, who else will? Let this Kovai Villa be an eye-opener to the other cities. Let them also celebrate and eulogize the achievers so that others will also follow in the footprints and make this country great again. Thank you very much.